Yo, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. It's your boy Sneakerhead in the Bay here, and today we're going to take a look at the Air Jordan Midnight Navy 1s. The Midnight Navy Air Jordan 1s are going to be releasing this Saturday, November 14th, 2020 for the retail price of 170 clams. For this release, we got a switch up on the box. I really do appreciate it because as you guys can see, I'm a Jordan 1 fanatic, and this is going to make it so much easier to spot these in a collection. This box is looking mad nice. Let me know if you guys are feeling the new Jordan 1 box for this specific colorway. For the previous silver colorway, we got this same box as well. For all of my Air Jordan 1s, I recommend going true to size, so I'm a true 10, so I went ahead and pulled the trigger on a 10. The colorway is white metallic silver, and again, these retail for $170. And before we continue with this review, I want to give a huge shout out to my family over at Hibbett Sports for sending these over a little bit early so I could do the early review for you guys. If y'all enjoy early reviews, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Woo! Guys, peep the details. Usually when it comes to Air Jordans, we don't really get fancy paper, so when we do, we just gotta take a moment and just enjoy what we have in front of us. On the box paper, it reads 2001 and 2020 with the Jumpman splitting it down the middle because this colorway originally released in 2001 and it's his first time retroing now in 2020. 19 years later. Dang. So with that being said, let's take a look at the shoe. Bam! Oh my goodness, we have the Midnight Navy Air Jordan 1s right in front of us. These are fire. Look, I feel like these slept under the radar because I didn't even know that they were coming out. Hibbett sends me a pair of sneakers every month. They just don't tell me what it is. And when I unboxed this, I was like, bro, I didn't even know these were coming out, but these things are fire. Like I mentioned earlier, the first colorway released in 2001, and I believe that was a Japan only exclusive, which means that it came with super crazy packaging. I believe the box was a briefcase if I remember correctly. It's kind of nice and refreshing to see this colorway come out again. I've seen it here and there, but it's definitely not one of those that is worn very often. Starting off with the outsoles, we have a nice navy look at the bottom of the sneaker. I always love Jordan 1 outsoles. They go perfectly in any sort of weather. You can wear this in snow, rain, dust, dirt, grass, sand, pretty much anything. As you guys can see, this is a very neutral looking shoe. We have a dark navy nubuck running around the top of the shoe, and it's broken up with this very, very nice white tumbled leather. One of my favorite parts about the shoe definitely has to be that chrome swoosh. Something about the swoosh just sets off the sneaker. I love the way that they did the Wings logo. They did it in like that jewel form. It's not the typical stamp that we get for the Wings logo, which is pretty sick. Now, I haven't had a chance to look at the 2001s in person or in hand, so I have nothing to compare it to, but I just wanted to mention that the tongue on this joint is a lot different than what we're used to. Right off the rip, we have our tumbled leather on the tongue. It looks super premium, and I actually really like how this looks. Our Nike Air is embroidered all up on the tongue, which is definitely an interesting look. I know some people like it, some people don't, so I just wanted to make it clear for you guys if you plan on going for this sneaker this Saturday. And if y'all are really into collecting Jordans, you probably remember a tag similar to this on the other 2001 sneakers, like the bread ones, the royal ones. They had the actual numbering on what pair you have, and I think Jordan Brand needs to bring that back, but this one says 2001 and 2020, of course. At first, I wasn't really feeling the tongue option because I felt like it was a little bit more thin than usual. I feel like the nylon tongue has a little bit more girth to it, but after a while and actually looking at how it creases up when you wear it and everything, I think it's gonna break in very nice, and it actually gives this sneaker more of a luxurious feel. And speaking of luxurious, man, I feel like I gotta bring it back to the quality of this one. In terms of the white leather, I want to say that the quality is a lot better than a lot of Jordans that we've seen in the past. And of course, whenever we talk about a Jordan 1, we always compare it to shattered backboard quality. No, this is not shattered backboard quality, but it's definitely up there. Now, I believe Eric Costin had his own version of this as well. It's like a low top, and that's actually going for money. So in terms of resale prediction, I'm not sure how these are gonna hold up. I'll pop the stock X prices right here. I think it's at around 260 to 280-ish, so that's not too bad. But of course, with all Jordan 1s, I definitely expect these to go up over time. I'm pretty sure y'all already know how that is. Another interesting thing that we have on this sneaker has to be the laces. Straight up from the factory, they come with these oval laces locked and loaded, but I'm really feeling the flat laces, to be honest. I'm just used to it. I'm not really feeling the oval look. You guys let me know what you feel more in the comments, all right? Are y'all more of the flat laces or on the oval lace wave? The oval laces definitely are more to the original, but something about the flat lace look, it just does it for me, man. Now I've been seeing a lot of people distressing their sneakers, making them age, you know, doing the whole yellow midsole look, the cream laces and all of that. And for some reason, call me crazy, I feel like that aged look would look very good on this sneaker. This sneaker reminds me of those Atlas Dunk highs that recently released that came with that very yellow midsole. It had like yellow laces. I think if we did some sort of aging process on this shoe right here with the midsole and just changing out the laces, it would make this shoe look a lot better. One of my favorite parts about the Air Jordan 1s is just creasing up these sneakers, especially this collar right here. With this leather, oh my god, this thing is gonna break in so nice. Look at the quality. Just butter, baby. Now the nubuck isn't anything crazy, all right? It's not magical, but it's just yin and yang, man. If you have a crazy material like this, you gotta have something neutral to just calm it down a little bit. It's just balance. That's the way life works. Keep the shine on the wings logo with the shine on the chrome swoosh. It's just like, bro, this shoe right here is fire. Now again, call me crazy. See this? Look, I bent it so much, it's not even like, bro, it's so nice. And then it just, whoop, bounces back. Play with it again, whoop, bounces back. Bro, this is a beautiful shoe. Alright guys, this is going to wrap up this quick review on the Midnight Navy Air Jordan 1s. Let me know if you guys are going to go for these this Saturday. I wanted to get this video up earlier, but these just came in, so I hope you guys enjoyed the review. Once again, if you guys haven't hit the like button yet, definitely make sure to do so. Y'all have been killing it lately, and I appreciate it so much. And don't forget to subscribe as always. I'm going to keep these videos rolling, so I'll catch you guys very soon for the next video. It's your boy SneakerHeadInTheBay. Have a beautiful day. I'm out. Peace.